Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video. Appreciate your time and your support. That's good. The recent news. Now, I'll be leaving a link down below in the description for the YouTuber that I'm going to be talking about. Total Tech TK. Shout out to you, bro, for going live last night and today uploading another video concerning the situation that you are in with your OnePlus 7 Pro. It's dead. It died on you, and it just sucks. It just sucks because you brought this device in that you got from T-Mobile and you were like praising it, man. You were like giving it shout out after shout out when there was a lot of conversation going on about this device, some praising it and some not. It was basically split as far as not just YouTubers, but consumers. And a lot of OnePlus owners taking it very personally that there are those that don't like the device, which, yeah, you can't take that personally. Some are going to, it doesn't matter what smartphone it is out there. Some are going to like it, some are not. It's a smartphone. I own the OnePlus 7 Pro right here shooting this video, and it's working great. It's working phenomenally great. I'm digging it. But that doesn't mean somebody else doesn't have the right to have the opinion not to like it. Yeah, it doesn't bother me at all. I respect that. But what just happened to TK, Total Tech, he's got a dead OnePlus 7 Pro. Again, I'm going to be leaving a link down below in the description area so you go over to his channel, check out the live stream he did last night and the recent video he just uploaded on the decision he's going to make as far as what device he's going to be able to get from T-Mobile to exchange it out, because right now they don't have any OnePlus 7 Pros to replace his dead OnePlus 7 Pro that just died on him. So, now I'm concerned, and I just got off the phone a little bit ago after I got off of work, talking to OnePlus, asking them if they would guarantee me if anything like that happened to my OnePlus 7 Pro, would they replace it? He said they would attempt to repair it. If it completely died internally and there was no damage on the outside whatsoever, not my fault, but it was just something within the phone, they would attempt to repair it, replace whatever it took to make the device work. And if they couldn't do it, they would replace it with a new OnePlus 7 Pro. Now, I don't know if there's a difference between as far as like the T-Mobile variant and the OnePlus variant. You know, I know that you have T-Mobile software over the top of OnePlus's software, Oxygen OS, which is over the top of Android 9. So yeah, because you have T-Mobile apps in there that are integrated into that software. And so I don't know if that has anything to do with it. You know what I'm saying? When you buy the Unlocked, you don't have anything but OnePlus. So you have Oxygen OS over the top of Android, which is, and it's pretty much stock Android. But with the T-Mobile variant, you have T-Mobile apps burnt in to that smartphone. Because when you turn it on, it says T-Mobile. I'm assuming it says T-Mobile. I don't know, but it's you know, I don't know if that makes a difference or not. You can let me know. Maybe I should know that kind of information, but I don't know at all. Man, I just feel so bad for TK, and he's not the only one that this has happened to. There are others out there that are reporting dead OnePlus 7 Pros. And I don't know if those are T-Mobile variants or if those are unlocked variants. But it concerns me because I have a healthy, as far as I know, OnePlus 7 Pro shooting this video attached to my iAudio Easy One Touch 2 dash mount. So if there's a little bit of vibration, you can hear that. My apologies. Hopefully not, but it could be happening. You know, I called OnePlus. He wanted to make me feel like, hey, we're here for you. If anything happens, we're here for you. We'll take care of you. I could barely understand the guy, but he was very nice. He was very helpful. I have 4 days, I think it's 4 days left on my return policy. And yeah, man, I was literally thinking at the time that I watched that video, I need to return this device, get my money back. But I'm kind of holding off. That's why I called OnePlus. But it's kind of a 50-50 thing in my mind right now. Like, do I return and get my money back, even though everything's working fine? Or should I just keep my OnePlus 7 Pro? And if anything happens, trust that OnePlus will take care of me, like I was told when I was talking to the rep on the phone. Yeah, I don't know. I've had probably one of the best experiences on this device. And there's a lot of other folks out there having a great experience with the OnePlus 7 Pro. There's some of you that have not. There's some of you that have already returned your device, whether it's the T-Mobile variant or the unlocked variant. But I have had a great time with this smartphone. And that's why I'm going back and forth. But we're talking about 700 smacks. 700 smacks that I could use on other smartphones or anything else. I can go out and buy some new clothes. Need some new Levi's. Go out and buy some new tennis shoes. But you get my point. At 700 smacks that I work hard for, that I could do whatever I want, or I can just hang on to this smartphone and see what happens. And just hope on, that it doesn't. It's going to be in the back of my mind. I don't know, man. I don't know. He said he tried everything. People were giving him, tips on what to do to try to get that device going again, and nothing has worked. I know I did, and nothing has worked. It's dead. By the sounds of it, in the second video he uploaded today, sounds like he's going to get a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus from T-Mobile. But again, man, I feel so bad, TK. If you guys don't know Total Tech, you will. I'll leave a link down below in the description area. Wow. You let me know your thoughts. Let me know what, sure. Let me know, give me some feedback on what do you think I should do. In the end, it's gonna be whatever I choose to do. I may write this out because at this point, nothing is going on. And if it was going to happen, I wish it would happen now. But I don't want it to, because I really dig this smartphone. I really do. Really do. And I would hate it. I would hate for it to happen to me, but by what the OnePlus rep was saying, they would take care of me. I don't know. OnePlus doesn't have the best reputation when it comes to taking care of their customers, or I've heard some things out there, but I can't judge that unless I've experienced that. And so far, in talking to OnePlus, before ordering this device and now after bringing it in and talking to them today, they've been very cool. Man, that sun's just coming in big time. Change direction and bam, the sun comes in. But yeah, so I don't know. What do you think? Let me know. Again, TK, Total Tech, my apologies for that happening to you, man. I feel bad for you. I feel bad for anybody that has a bad experience and has to go through something like this with their hard-earned money that they work for, and they buy these products and something terrible like that happens. A dead OnePlus 7 Pro. And I'm hoping that doesn't happen to mine if I decide to keep it and not return it. That's it. Peace. God bless. I'm out. Check out the link down below in the description area. Man.